So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a local printer in your Windows 10 or 11. So how to do this, let's get started. First go over to start menu and then open settings. Here you need to click on devices, then click on printer scanner, then click on add a printer. Here it will load a bit, then a button will appear like this. You click on this and then click on add a local printer, click next, click this drop down menu and then select your printer line, just click on next and then select your printer's company and then select your printer's model. Once you do this, click on next and then install it in your PC. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Once you install this, it will appear here and it will say connected. Just do that and then hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.